Welcome back. Australia has finally felicitated 3 Goans who helped in rescue of foreign soldiers in Iraq who were attacked by terrorists in 2004. Initially, their award was claimed by an Australian, but later, due to the efforts of another Australian, Christopher Hardings, Australian government approved these awards to Antonio Poe, Stephen Miranda and Deepak Arondekar from Goa. Here is a special report.
This is the most joyous moment for Poe family in Karanzalim. They received citation from Queen Elizabeth and a bravery award on behalf of their son. Their only son Antonio is now working on a ship. Antonio, Deepak Arondekar and Stephen Miranda on 8th August 2004 helped in the rescue of many American soldiers who were attacked by Iraqi terrorists. They were working for an Australian catering company then. Their boss, Christopher Hardings, fought hard with the Australian government to recognize the efforts of Goans in the rescue mission. Poe family is happy as their son's bravery has been recognized.
आमचे उमेदीन सारकी आमी कशी जाली गोंयांनी आनी इतलें बरें काम तेणें केलें आनी आमचें नांव वयर काडलें म्हणून
आमी सारकी भिलेली मागीर ताका आमी पोत्तून आपोवन हाडलो तो म्हणूंक लागलो थिंगा चड डेंजर आहा म्हणजे पावता ना पावता गोंया पोत्तून अशें तशें सांगलेलें तेणें आमकां लास्ट पूण तो बरे भाशेन पावलो गोंया
हांव हॅप्पी आहा कित्याक चड करून आमचे इंडियेचें नांव वयर येयलें आमच्या भुरग्यांनी इंडियेचें नांव वयर काडलां तो म्हाजो भाव जावं पूण तेणें दुसऱ्या पासत आपल्याचो गाम रोगत वावरो तेणें कॅर करूंक ना तेजी भयण मामी कितें जातली हालत तेंची.
All 3 Goan awardees are now working in different parts of the world. Deepak, who is in Goa for vacation, narrated his experience.
I feel great. Also award हांवें केन्ना चिंतूंक ना गावतलो म्हणून आनी ते टायमार सडनली रॉकेट लॉन्चर्स येवपाक स्टार्ट जाले आमकां खबर ना कितें करपाचें असो अटॅक की कितें करपाचें कांयच समजना मागीर जसो अटॅक जालो बंद जालें सगळें तशें आमी मागीर लोकांक रेस्क्यू करपाक चालू केलें.
Last year, there were many attacks on Indian students in Australia. But this is an example of an Australian who did it all for Goans as a return of favour.
Because of the award, it made big news in Australia. Reason being because it's unusual for like Indians or overseas people to get an Australian award.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President Subhash Shirodkar are in Delhi to discuss the election plans with the Congress High Command. CM is also utilizing this trip to invite Prime Minister and many other union ministers for the Golden Jubilee Liberation Day function.
CM and GPCC President have reached Delhi to discuss election plans with party higher-ups. Sources have confirmed that they are expected to meet Ahmed Patel to discuss following things: party's election strategy, right timing for election, ticket allotment and dates of election. Congress insiders say that CM and Subhash are favouring election in February, whereas many of other leaders like Churchill Alema, Babush Munsarat and most of the South-side power horses are in favour of election in month of May. However, CM has utilized this Delhi trips to call some important guests for Goa Golden Jubilee Liberation Day. Following is the list: Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister, to grace Liberation Day function; A.K. Anthony, Defence Minister, to felicitate Jawans who fought for liberation; Virappa Moili, Law Minister, to release some books on Goa's history; Kumari Shailaja, Tourism Minister, to inaugurate renovated Resh Magos Fort; Kapil Sibal, HRD Minister, to release special stamp on the occasion. Government is trying hard to get all these union ministers in Goa. Authorities are little apprehensive about their schedule as Parliament is in session. They may or may not accept the invitation. But for now, CM is in Delhi along with Director of Art and Culture Department Prasad Lulekar. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar has come out strongly against Manohar Parikar's statements on Mopa land price. He said that Parikar is making unnecessary statements against him because of upcoming elections. Parikar had said that Asgaonkar failed to give proper compensation to the farmers at Mopa.
Land acquisitionचे rate जो हा वो fix तो केला परिकाराने केल्लो. परिकारा टायमाक SPDA market हे जाल तुगे acquire जाला. आणि थंय रेट कितलो दिलो या परिकारान पयली लोकांक सांगचे म्हणून. दुसरे उलयत तेन्ना पयली आपूण रेट कितलो आपूण चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतना कितलो रेट दिल्लो SPDA मार्केटार जो कदंबा स्टँड आहा तेका आनी मागीर लोकांक फसोवपाचें दाखोवपाचें. जेन्ना इलेक्शन लागीं येता तेन्ना हेज्या कडेन एक प्रोग्राम अकस्मात तयार जातात की इलेक्शनाक कशी आपल्या मतं मेळटली आनी लोकांक कशें पॉयझन करप हें दाखोवप म्हणून सत्य परिस्थिती लोकां मुखार दवरप ना.
Babu alleged that Manohar Parrikar failed to curb the casino gambling and illegal mining in the state when he was chief minister. He said that illegal mining and casinos are more in the BJP-led constituencies.
Opposition leader काशिनो खातीर बॉब मारता थंय असेंब्ली आनी हे सायडीन काशिनो खातीर डबल आनी काशिनो जातात. म्हणजे हे सायडीन तुमी उलयतात ते सायडीन फिक्सिंग करतात आनी मिटर वाडयतात. आनी कितें केलें तें मायन्स जे चलतात मायन्स आज मायन्स खातीर तो बॉब मारता. मायन्स तेजे जे आमदार आहात थंय मायन्स इलिगली चड आसात. खंयची मायन्स ताणें बंद केल्या. कित्याक आवाज करूं ना? कित्याक हें पोल्युशन सगळें तुवें आमच्या लोकांक रेजिडेंट्सांक खावयलें?
Babu Asgaonkar said that he will support leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar to curb illegal mining and casinos in Goa. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
4 police personnel and a fire brigade officer were suspended on Thursday for assaulting each other. They were arrested following their brawl on Wednesday. The case is now investigated by the Madgaon SDPO.
4 police personnel, Vivek Desai, PSI attached to Indian Reserve Battalion, Santosh Malvi, PSI attached to Indian Reserve Battalion, Sagar Malvi, Goa Reserve Police, Dhananjay Kotkar, Fire Brigade Officer Verna, Amardeep Chaudhary, Police Constable attached to Maina Kurturi Police Station was suspended on Thursday.
One IRB Constable Santosh Malvi and another IRB Constable Vivek Desai, they had a fight in the bus. Vivek Desai, he smoked and puffed on the face of Santosh Malvi, and thereafter altercations took place which resulted in assault. Sagar Malvi, who stays at Margaon but works in GRP, and Sagar Malvi along with his 2 friends Amardeep Chaudhary and Dhananjay Kotkar went in a swift car and intercepted our IRB bus at Rumder, Nuve, and stopped the bus, and Sagar Malvi got into the bus and assaulted Vivek Desai.
SP Arvind Gauss informed us that Madgaon SDPO will probe into the matter.
An offence under section 341, 353, 332 has been registered at Maina Kurturi. All the 3 have been placed under arrest. The vehicle used in the assault has been attached. SDPO Madgaon will be conducting preliminary inquiry and he will be submitting his report within a couple of days.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Time now for another short break. Stay tuned.